Well, hello guys. Today I'm going to be showing you my prediction for SP500. I'll be making a prediction exactly for this for the entire month of what's called June. Yeah, for June, for the entire month of June. I'm just showing you how I have panned out the circles for each and every single day. And of course, as always, I will always be detailing and updating them in real time as the week and days progresses. So here you have it, guys. I mean, for the first time before it begins, the month of June already has. Today is actually 2 of June, the 2nd of June. So the prediction starts right tomorrow, which is going to be Monday, the day the video comes out on YouTube. So you can see that for the first day we have volatility, a very significant day, because we could see the day go either way, but I'm betting it's going to be more like a dip, more like a downtrend, because that's what I am expecting the most for that day. Then by May 5 or 6, we're going to see an uptrend, probably to fix some of the damage that the dip causes. By 6 or 7 of June, we're going to see some volatility or range. Again, goes the same for June 8 or 9. So we're expecting to see for a couple days, for some days, some volatility or some range. You can see right now that the price so far in the previous days of May, it kind of stays in a range fashion, does have some volatility. So I expect something like this to continue in these days, in these 2 yellow circles. For the next one, we have a red circle, 10 or 11 of June. So we're expecting to see a downtrend by these days, and possibility. With the possibility that June 11 could also be very volatile. In fact, it's so volatile that it could lead to an uptrend in that day, June 11, because the next circle after that is a green one that says June 11 or 12. So again, an uptrend either by one of these 2 days. Next, we have June 13 or 14, a downtrend, some correction. It's normal, it's expected. But then, these are the circles that interest us the most, especially me, because these represent some very massive gains, some very massive opportunities to make some insane profits. Because you can see right here that we have 3 circles in a row, 3 consecutive green circles. That means that the price could jump and peak somewhere around May 17 or 18. This will be a very nice zone to sell our profits and take some money. Now the next day is a red day. There's a possibility of having 2 consecutive days, because we have 2 consecutive circles. We have a downtrend by June 19 and another downtrend by either June 20 or 21. So if it happens on 20, we're going to see a downtrend that extends all the way from June 19 to June 20. So this is also a good opportunity, a good zone for opportunities. This is where you could buy again some of that stock, or watch how the finances go, how the economy behaves, so you can have some clarity on what to do. Remember, red days, red circles, they usually represent opportunities for buying, and green days are opportunities, perfect opportunities for selling and taking some profits. Now the next circle, we have a green and a yellow circle on the same day, June 23. I don't know why I keep saying May. So June 23, there's a possibility of a uptrend by June 23 or 24. So we're going to watch that. But of course, since we also have a yellow circle for June 23, there could mean that it's going to be a very volatile day, or it could behave in a very normal, neutral way. Now the next circle is June 24 or 25. Again, some volatility or range. Again, take into account that we're also expecting this for this green circle. 24 is part of this green circle, so pay attention to that when it does happen. Now the next circle is a downtrend by May 27 or 28. Very simple to read and to understand. One of these 2 days is going to happen and we'll see a correction. And the next days are also very interesting because they are also consecutive circles and could be consecutive days. That means we could see a prolonged uptrend starting from June 28 all the way to June 30, near the end of the month. So this could mean and represent some good opportunities for selling and taking some profits after these 2 dips. You can see it's a very cyclical prediction, very cyclical chart. Not much to add, guys. It's all I have for now. We'll have to see and wait how the days and the month develops, but I'm always confident that my predictions are always extremely accurate. Many of them go all the way to 100% accuracy. The ones that don't stay in the range of 80 to 90 or 95% accuracy. That's insane. No one else in the trading scene, no one else actually in the world kind of has these numbers, this quality and this perfection. So anyways, guys, the next prediction that I'll be detailing you, this video will be coming out somewhere around Wednesday or Thursday. So you'll be expecting that for that time frame. The next prediction is going to be Nvidia again, because I've received some comments that they want me to cover Nvidia again. So I'll be making another prediction for Nvidia for the month of June. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, to share this video, to subscribe, comment what you think of this, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Take care.